my friend. Look at that. She has a bat sprouting out of her head. Will you come with me? Follow me.
Right, thank you. It's already recording.
I'm having a horrible. How about you? Who's this? Boogie boo. Don't tell me your friends are beautiful. Oh, forget you said that. It's incredible. You struck me down to the side. Wow. How did you do this also? You'll have to teach me your way. Hold on a minute. It's precisely 22 days. You're very close. Celebrations are well underway in Halloween Town. Now I can see you've got your costume. Simple. Are these tentacles? Wow! I've never seen anything quite like this. The human world is so interesting. Now would you like a photo with me? Yes. Granted, you stand beside me. Will you show me your scariest faces? Okay, here we go. Look at the magic here.
Perfect, one more, please one more. Thank you, merci Jack.
Magic, thank you.
Fantastic. Now I hope you have a horrible day, my friends. And a happy Halloween!
Happy Halloween.
Would you like some sweets?
Thank you very much.
Sure.
Just looking at the back of Jack Skellington's wee booth here. Happy Halloween!
It's a strange world we live in. It's all we want is loving.
Oh, look at the Haunted Mansion there, Natalie.
Phantom Manor.
What was it called? The Phantom Manor?
It's called the Phantom Manor in Paris, but unfortunately my ears are Haunted Mansion and that's shut until January 2019, so we'll have to come back and check it out.
Aye, we're going to have to come back.
It's been shut since January this year, so a full year of refurbishment. I can't imagine what they're doing inside, so I'm very excited about it, but it does look really cool.
We hope that they're doing something pretty cool here. A wee ghost chef. I think it's donuts or pancakes, I'm not too sure. Jack Skellington meet and greets just down here. We just came for it and we maybe waited a good hour or so, but if I'm honest, it was well worth it. What did you think of it, Natalie?
It's been my favourite meet and greet of every single Disney trip I've ever had. He was fantastic.
Yeah, Jack was really good. Very sassy and well worth the wait to see him.
Yeah, 100%.
So here's just the queue to Big Thunder Mountain. We've been on this as well today.
What we've done is we got a fast pass, so we went for the queue for Jack Skellington while we had a fast pass for this. Actually 70 minutes long for the queue, but with our fast pass we went back, stood in the queue for that and then waited 10 minutes and it was 100% worth it, so definitely make use of your fast passes.
And we're literally right on the doorstep of the Haunted Mansion now. Let's see if we can zoom in on some of the details. Now that we look inside one of the cabins in here. I love these wee pumpkin guys. Look as if they're having the time of their life. So, look at the wee lanterns. We'll get Donald Duck, Huey, Dewey and Louie. We've got Goofy. And who's the last one?
Daisy.
We all get Daisy. I'm not too sure if I'd want to go camping in this heat.
No, definitely not.
Nah, not for it.
It's the insects here that I'd be worried about.
The castle looks really good, man. We're just about to head underneath the castle and see the dragon.
Sleeping, hopefully.
Well, hopefully it's sleeping, aye. Trainee dragon. Shh, you don't want to waken a dragon.
To go down into the dragon, you just take a little side thing just down this path here, and that will take you under. It's well worth a visit. So let's head in and see what happens. Do you want to live in a house like this?
Aye, I would live in a house like this. They're pretty cool, isn't it?
100%. I don't know if you can see the detail, but there's like flags. It's amazing, 100%. So let's head in. There's a few shops inside. It's very busy today. So up here, as I said, it's Sleeping Beauty Castle. So let's head upstairs and have a look at this stained glass.
Of emotions, they're broken. I'm holding, but shocking. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back, relax, 'cause love is blinding. Searching for affection, but searching isn't finding. Sit back and relax, 'cause love is blinding. Oh, 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 no. Oh, oh, no.
Now, we all need some fairy godmothers in our lives. I think mine's is Lindsay. We have a young Prince Philip. And of course, the Queen herself, Maleficent. Looking fetching. And we all know the story. So they're burning all the spindles. Maleficent looking pretty angry. This is cool, this is my favourite window. And then onto some tapestries. Beautiful aurora. What I like to call zombie aurora. And over here we have a magical spinning wheel, which is what she pricked her finger on and went to sleep. How cool is that tapestry? It's all magical and glowing. And this chap's asleep. I don't know if you can hear him snoring because it's quite noisy in here, but he is fast asleep. And I do believe if we go up there, which we can't, there's ropes in the way, that's where she's asleep. Prince Philip's on her way to get her. I think Chrissy's found a tapestry that we should get. That's really cool.
It's quite cool. Get that for the living room on the floor.
I literally just said that. I said Chrissy's found a tapestry for our house. Oh, and look, it's like us when you wake me up in the morning.
No, I don't think so.
Oh, what a lovely fountain. Love that. Let's head outside to the kingdom.
As I called it earlier, Jack the Beanstalk.
It's not Jack the Beanstalk, it is Maleficent's Thorns, and if I do say so, I believe she is on the other side.
There is, I don't think so. We're into the right to see her.
Where Prince Philip hacked her way through. I don't know if you can see her. Looking creepily scary.
There she is right there.
She doesn't look happy at all for all the happy smiling faces. Quite right. What do you think of the castle?
Oh, the castle's brilliant. I would really like to live here. Well, I wouldn't want to tidy the rooms, but aye, it's pretty cool.
I think if you lived here you would have maids.
Aye, true. I would have maids. We're heading into Adventureland, which is basically just Aladdin land, really.
Aladdin Agrabah.
Well, sorry, I call it Aladdin land, but Natalie's saying it's Agrabah. I think it's really cool, man. It reminds me so much of Aladdin.
So I've took the camera off Chris since he's calling it Aladdin land, but as you can see we've got the Agrabah Cafe and Bazaar. Got a little Aladdin thing over here. I really feel like I'm in another place, 100%. It's the perfect weather for it also.
Cracking wee building here, a wee Aladdin's building. At the top of the like domes. And also this light here. Really cool. So we literally just came to Agrabah or Aladdin's place, whatever it's called, so Natalie could get this monster.
It's a Dole Whip. It's my favourite thing from Florida, and if you've been you'll know what I mean. It's in Adventureland, it's amazing. It's basically pineapple juice and ice cream. It's slightly different here, it's vanilla here. Over in America it's pineapple, like ice cream, like frozen Dole Whip, but I'm not complaining.